Hey there, nature enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of one of nature's most mesmerizing creatures. Get ready to witness the incredible journey of discovery in our latest episode, Rattlesnakes Uncoiled, Venomous Wonders of the Wild. Rattlesnakes, just the mention of their name sparks a mix of awe and intrigue. With their striking patterns, mesmerizing rattles, and an enigmatic reputation, they've become both feared and respected throughout history. But did you know that these venomous wonders play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems? Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind these slithering serpents, exploring their unique adaptations, and understanding the vital role they play in the wild. From the arid deserts to lush woodlands, rattlesnakes have found their niche in a variety of habitats, adapting to thrive in the most unexpected places. But it's not just their captivating appearance that makes rattlesnakes so intriguing. Their venom, a complex cocktail of bioactive compounds, is a masterpiece of evolution, honed over millions of years for hunting and survival. As we venture deeper into their world, we'll uncover their unique hunting strategies, their incredible ability to communicate through their iconic rattles, and the measures they take to coexist with their surroundings. So, whether you're an adventurer seeking to understand these creatures up close or simply someone who's captivated by the mysteries of the natural world, this journey promises to leave you in awe of the beauty, elegance, and importance of rattlesnakes in our intricate tapestry of life. Are you ready? Because Rattlesnakes Uncoiled, Venomous Wonders of the Wild starts right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on this thrilling expedition into the heart of rattlesnake country. Let's uncover the secrets and wonders these serpents have to offer. Alright, folks, let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Let's roll! Rattlesnakes stand out with their striking and unmistakable characteristics that set them apart from other serpents. Their distinct patterns, a result of intricate scales and color variations, provide camouflage that aids in both stalking prey and avoiding predators. A common feature is their triangular-shaped head, a clear sign of their venomous nature. This specialized head shape accommodates their venom glands and hollow fangs, allowing for efficient delivery of venom during strikes. But what truly sets rattlesnakes apart is their remarkable heat-sensing ability. These pit organs, located on each side of their head between the eye and nostril, detect even the slightest temperature changes in their environment. This unique adaptation enables them to sense the heat radiating from warm-blooded animals, essentially giving them an infrared vision that's incredibly useful for hunting, even in the cover of darkness. This thermal advantage gives them the upper hand when stalking prey or avoiding potential threats. Rattlesnakes have evolved a remarkable hunting technique that capitalizes on their heat-sensing pits. These specialized organs allow them to accurately pinpoint the location of prey, even in complete darkness. When a warm-blooded animal crosses their path, the pits detect the temperature difference and help the snake strike with uncanny precision. This thermal guidance system is so finely tuned that rattlesnakes can strike at an incredible speed, often catching their prey by surprise. Imagine the desert's silence at night, broken only by the subtle movements of a potential meal. Rattlesnakes, armed with their heat-sensing prowess, become formidable nighttime hunters, securing their survival in environments where competition for resources is fierce. The world of rattlesnakes is as diverse as it is intriguing. These serpents have adapted to a wide range of habitats across the globe. From arid deserts to lush forests and grasslands, rattlesnakes have found ways to thrive in varied ecosystems. Different species have evolved distinct adaptations to suit their specific environments, whether it's the muted tones of the Mojave rattlesnake's scales blending seamlessly into desert sand or the timber rattlesnake's cryptic patterns that help it navigate the forest undergrowth. Rattlesnakes possess a potent and sophisticated venomous arsenal that serves multiple purposes in their survival strategy. Composed of a complex mixture of enzymes, proteins, peptides, and other bioactive compounds, rattlesnake venom is a weapon tailored for both immobilizing prey and aiding in digestion. When a rattlesnake strikes and injects venom into its prey, the components of the venom work in concert to incapacitate and begin the breakdown of tissues, making it easier for the snake to consume its meal. Rattlesnake venom is a chemically complex cocktail, containing a combination of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and cytotoxins, among other components. Neurotoxins target the nervous system, causing paralysis and disrupting vital functions in the prey's body. Hemotoxins affect blood cells and blood clotting, leading to internal bleeding and tissue damage. Cytotoxins cause localized tissue destruction, breaking down cells and facilitating the venom's diffusion through the prey's body. Beyond their role in the wild, rattlesnake venom has piqued the interest of researchers and medical professionals. Ongoing studies are exploring the potential medical applications of rattlesnake venom components. Some compounds have shown promise in anticoagulation treatments, which could benefit individuals prone to blood clots. Others have displayed potential for pain relief and anti-inflammatory purposes. Furthermore, researchers are investigating the potential of rattlesnake venom as a source of novel pharmaceuticals. By understanding the intricate composition of the venom and its effects on different biological systems, scientists are working to harness its power for the development of innovative treatments for various medical conditions. This dual role of rattlesnake venom, as both a tool for survival and a source of medical potential, underscores the complexity and importance of these enigmatic creatures in the natural world and beyond. Rattlesnakes are masterful hunters, employing a combination of stealth, patience, and precision to secure their meals. Their hunting behavior encompasses a range of tactics that highlight their adaptability and ingenuity. One of the most intriguing aspects is their use of ambush tactics, taking advantage of their exceptional camouflage to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Their unique patterns and coloration allow them to become virtually invisible, making them adept at lying in wait for unsuspecting prey. Central to their hunting success is the integration of their heat-sensing pits, a remarkable adaptation that grants them an unparalleled advantage. These pits allow them to detect even the faintest heat signatures emitted by potential prey. Whether it's a small rodent scuttling nearby or a warm-blooded bird perched in a tree, rattlesnakes can accurately pinpoint their targets with astounding accuracy. Once locked onto their prey, they unleash their rapid strike technique, a lightning-quick lunge that leaves little time for escape. The rattlesnake's iconic rattle serves as a unique and remarkable tool for communication, playing a crucial role in its interactions with both prey and potential threats. This distinctive adaptation isn't just a form of self-expression, it's a potent warning mechanism that signals danger and helps avoid unnecessary confrontations. Composed of loosely connected segments of keratin, the rattle produces its unmistakable sound when the snake rapidly vibrates its tail. The rattle's audible warning resonates through the air, serving as a clear signal that the rattlesnake is nearby and ready to defend itself. By adopting this behavior, rattlesnakes communicate their presence, allowing other animals, including humans, to heed their cautionary message and maintain a safe distance. As we venture into the world of rattlesnakes, it's crucial to equip ourselves with the knowledge to coexist harmoniously with these fascinating creatures. Safety comes first, and practical tips for interacting with rattlesnakes in the wild can go a long way in preventing unnecessary encounters. Maintaining a safe distance is key. Respect their space and never attempt to handle or provoke them. Rattlesnakes prefer to avoid confrontation, and by giving them space, you're not only protecting yourself but also respecting their role in the ecosystem. Conservation plays a pivotal role in securing the future of rattlesnakes and maintaining the delicate ecological balance they contribute to. Preserving their habitats is essential, as these areas not only sustain rattlesnakes but also countless other species that depend on the same environment. Whether it's the desert sands, lush woodlands, or grassy plains, these habitats are interconnected pieces of a complex puzzle, each contributing to the health of the ecosystem as a whole. And that wraps up our journey into the mesmerizing world of Rattlesnakes Uncoiled, Venomous Wonders of the Wild. From their intricate patterns and heat-sensing abilities to their complex venomous arsenal, we've uncovered the captivating adaptations that make rattlesnakes true marvels of nature. Through their unique behaviors, we've witnessed their hunting prowess and communication strategies, giving us a deeper understanding of their vital roles in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Remember, these serpents are not just creatures to be feared, they're integral parts of our natural world. By coexisting responsibly and dispelling myths, we can appreciate their significance and contribute to their conservation. We hope this exploration has left you in awe of the intricate beauty and inherent value of rattlesnakes in our global tapestry of life. If you found this video enlightening and engaging, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments section below, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more captivating wildlife content. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the wonders of rattlesnakes and celebrating the intricate beauty of the wild. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed, and keep exploring.